Ready to spark feminine energy? Explore 20 effortless, face-softening hair looks tailored for women over 60. 1. Feathered Pixie with side bangs. Light layers that lift at the crown and soften lines. Perfect for fine hair and oval or heart faces. 2. Neck-length feathered bob. Soft edges add movement and gentle volume. Ideal for thinning hair and round faces. 3. Layered lob long bob. Neck skimming with airy ends for flow. Flatters most face shapes and medium density hair. 4. Shoulder length layers side part. Side sweep slims and brightens the eyes. Great for medium hair and square or round faces. 5. Airy shag with wispy fringe. Pixie texture adds lift and ease. Perfect for fine to medium hair and oval faces. 6. Sleek chin-length bob. Tucked ends, clean lines elongate the neck. Suit straight hair and heart or oval faces. 7. Soft waves with curtain bangs. Curtain fringe frames and softens. Ideal for medium hair and prominent cheekbones. 8. Volumized crown blowout. Lift at the root energizes the profile. Works for fine hair needing body. 9. Low Chignon with face framing layers. Loose tendrils soften jawline. Elegant for all hair types and formal moments. 10. Loose French twist. Undone texture feels light and refined. Suits medium hair and long necks. 11. Half up twist with volume. Crown height gives youthful lift. Great for medium to long hair. 12. Gentle beach waves heatless. Soft bends add fullness without stress. Perfect for fine, fragile hair. 13. Side swept curls. Diagonal flow slims and brightens. Great for natural waves or rollers. 14. Textured crop with crown lift. Short, tousled top adds instant energy. Ideal for fine hair. 15. Scarf tied low bun. Silk scarf adds color and femininity. Suits second-day hair of any type. 16. Braided headband loose waves. Plaited crown lifts the face. Ideal for medium to long hair. 17. Long silver layers. Soft layers prevent heaviness. Perfect for naturally silver hair. 18. Curly Pixie with defined top. Curly height adds playfulness. Suits tight to loose curls. 19. Angled bob with soft graduation. Forward angle sharpens and slims. Great for straight or softly wavy hair. 20. Low ponytail with soft lift. Teased crown and face framers feel polished. Perfect for quick elegance.